Discovering your trademark application has been abandoned can be alarming for business owners. An abandoned trademark means losing exclusive rights to your brand identity and potentially allowing competitors to register similar marks. But there's good news. In many cases, you can revive an abandoned trademark application if you act quickly. A trademark application becomes abandoned when you miss specific deadlines set by the United States Patent and Trademark Office. This could happen if you fail to respond to an office action, don't file a statement of use, or miss renewal deadlines. When this occurs, the USPTO marks your application as abandoned in their trademark status and document retrieval system and sends you a formal notice of abandonment. There are two main scenarios where revival is possible. First, if the abandonment was unintentional, you can file a petition to revive within 2 months of receiving the abandonment notice. Second, if the abandonment occurred due to an error by the USPTO, you can request reinstatement without paying a fee. To file a petition to revive, start by checking your application status in the TSDR system to confirm it's marked as abandoned. Then prepare your petition, which must include a signed statement affirming the delay was unintentional, the required petition fee, and, if applicable, a response to any outstanding office action. Your petition must be submitted through the Trademark electronic application system on the USPTO website. The petition needs to be filed within 2 months after receiving the notice of abandonment and within 6 months after the USPTO electronically posts that the application has been abandoned. When filing your petition, you'll need to provide a statement declaring that the delay was unintentional. The USPTO generally accepts these claims unless they have evidence to the contrary. However, if your delay was due to an incomplete response to an office action, it won't be considered unintentional. Be aware that your petition will be denied if you've applied for an intent-to-use trademark and accepting the petition would extend beyond the 36-month period allowed to file your statement of use. This is a strict limitation that cannot be overcome. For abandoned trademark registrations, the rules differ significantly. If your registration lapsed because you failed to file a Section 8 declaration of continued use or a Section 9 renewal application, you cannot revive it through a petition. Instead, you'll need to reapply for registration completely. There is an exception if the registration was abandoned due to USPTO error. In such cases, you can file a written request for reinstatement within 2 months of the notice of abandonment. You'll need to provide proof such as a copy of your timely filed response, a receipt showing the USPTO accepted your document, or evidence that the office sent notices to an incorrect address. To prevent trademark abandonment in the future, implement these practices. Regularly check your application status in the TSDR system. Set up calendar reminders for all USPTO deadlines. Maintain accurate contact information with the USPTO. And consider working with a trademark attorney who can track deadlines and requirements. Common reasons for abandonment include failing to respond to office actions within 6 months, missing statement of use deadlines for intent-to-use applications, forgetting to renew your registration, ceasing to use the trademark in commerce, and making clerical errors in your filings. Remember that once a trademark is abandoned, it becomes available for others to register. This makes timely action crucial to protect your brand. If you're uncertain about the process or have a complex situation, consulting with a trademark attorney can significantly increase your chances of successfully reviving your abandoned trademark application.